Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will discuss about binary built-in function or bin built-in function. Okay, so in the upcoming sessions, like mainly we are going to discuss about all the built-in function we have in CL program. And for today, basically we will discuss about percentage binary or percentage bin. So here I have created one program. So I will show you that and then we'll explain you the use of this function. Okay, so before we start discussing about the code, let me tell you about the percentage binary or percentage bin built-in function. They both are same. They are used for the same purpose. So either you can use percentage binary or you can use percentage bin. So both are same. Okay. Now why we need that? So we need this binary built-in function or bin built-in function to convert the hexadecimal value into equivalent decimal value. Okay, so suppose we have some hexadecimal value stored in some program, like maybe we are getting those value from some other program, or it is in the program variable. So to convert that hexadecimal value into equivalent decimal value, we need this function. So let's see the example. Here on line number 11, what we are doing, we are declaring one variable which is hex value. So it is of type character and length 2. So you can specify length as per your requirement, and inside that what we are doing, we are storing the value. So value we are storing in this way, like uh, for hexadecimal we use x, then single quote, and then 000, and then a, and then we close the single quote. So, sorry, apostrophe. Yeah. So in this way we can store the hexadecimal value. Now when we are going to convert this value and we are going to store it inside some new variable, so for storing the result we are declaring another variable as new value. It is of type decimal of length 3. Okay, now we will use this function. So to use this function you have to use chgvar command. So just simply write chgvar, then take F4. Now here on CL variable name we have to put that variable name where we want to store the output. So I want to store my output in new value, so I have placed my variable name here. Then in new value field, in this new value field we have to use the function. So syntax for function is quite simple. You have to just simply write percentage binary, then inside the parenthesis you can pass the value which you want to convert. So I want to convert the value which is stored in hexadecimal. Okay, so I have passed that variable. So now just hit enter. So once you hit enter, it will take you to this screen, and here you can use the sndpgmmsg command for converting this value to character. Okay, why we are converting this value to character? Because the output variable means the new value is of numeric type, and we are not able to print the numeric value directly using this sndpgmmsg command. So for that reason we are converting it to percentage char. Okay, percentage char is also a built-in function, so it will convert this value into character, and then we are able to print the value. So let's try to compile and see the output. So it should return the equivalent decimal value for this hex value. So let's try. So I'm compiling it. So it is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. So we got the value as 10. So now it is clear that it is converting the value from hexadecimal value to binary decimal value. Now question arises, where we can find these hexadecimal values. So you can search over net, like what are the equivalent binary hexadecimal value for 10, 9, or whatever the number you want to see, and from there you can directly copy paste the value and then you can convert it to your decimal value. Okay, now another thing we can do, like instead of binary we can also write bin. As I told you previously, you can just simply write it as percentage binary bin, then try to compile it again, and it should give the same output. Yes, it is giving the same output. So we have option, either we can use binary, complete binary, percentage binary, or we can use the percentage bin. So this is how we can utilize this binary built-in function or bin built-in function to convert the hexadecimal value into equivalent decimal value. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Math.